Good day, sir, madam. My name is Raquel C. Bernardino. I'm 39 years old. I'm high school graduate. I'm separated with 3 kids from Philippines. I have experience to work as domestic helper in Philippines, Dubai, and Hong Kong. My duties are washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing clothes, and cooking Chinese dishes like steamed fish and ABC soup. And also I love kids, feed them foods on time, bath and put them asleep, and make sure I have time to play with them and sing the children's song. And also I know the Cantonese basic words like Chosan, and thank you, Sepan, eating, and Moa, no. Madam and sir, please choose me as domestic helper. I promise I follow the rules and regulation, and I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, Madam and sir.